Good afternoon, my name is Russ Fielden and I'm the founder of True Blue Bay Resort. When we first bought the hotel 25 years ago, it's over 25 years ago, this was a 7-room hotel, True Blue Inn it was called, had a little tiny restaurant and 7 rooms. We realized very quickly that 7-room hotel was not going to make money, and in fact that's why the previous owners didn't make it. So we immediately started putting money into building rooms. So over the years we've just built it up from a 7-room hotel to what it is now is 70 rooms, and with all the bells and whistles of any other resort in the Caribbean. We've got a gym, boutique, dive shop, marina, car rentals, you name it, we've got it. Oh, I think the staff, definitely. I mean, it's just a lovely staff and the local people. It's always, and this event we're doing today, the Christmas Bazaar, this is our 24th Christmas Bazaar. And it's, I mean, we don't do it for money, we just do it because it's a good opportunity to give something back to the community. And the vendors come down and sell their goods and wares. They don't have very many opportunities to do that, so this is a good opportunity for them to express themselves. And they're great fun events, nice atmosphere, and it's part of the season, and it's now become part of Grenada's calendar. They just happen. I mean, my wife's into chocolate, and she's involved with she is the developer of the Grenada Chocolate Festival. She's done that for 10 years now. She has the House of Chocolate in town, so chocolate was part of our sort of our raison d'etre, if you like, and so naming them Cocoa Pods was just part and parcel of that. The indigos, well, this is an indigo plantation, so we just named them the indigos. This is the Deca Deck. It was named after a guy who helped us out early on in our, when we were really broke earlier on, and he just helped us with a little bit of financing. So we named it after him. That was the almond deck down there, which was an almond tree over it, so it sort of makes sense. Everything has its reason. I spend most of my time here, actually, to be quite honest. I haven't left the island since 2019. So yeah, this is where I like to be, meeting people like yourself, and just enjoying. Bye then. There's one of them, and just enjoying and talking to people, and just enjoying Grenada, really. Oh gosh, well, I suppose when the kids were little, that was quite interesting, because there's one family over there right now, granddaughter. Remember one time when Renata, my youngest daughter, she was very little and the babysitter was in the room. We were living in one of the hotel rooms, and we were running the restaurant at the time. And who should arrive at the restaurant but Renata, with just her diapers on. And so we called up the babysitter, and my wife called her up and said, "Oh, how are the kids doing?" She said, "Oh, they're fast asleep." So she said, "Well, how come one of them's down in the restaurant naked?" So, yeah, we're still friends with that babysitter. She climbed out the window and she wanted to come and see her mum. You know?
Shelby's
Hello.
friend.
Yes.
Friend. Called me a boy.
No, really? How dare they?
Well, actually, how dare her boyfriend?
Yes, yes, I know. Can you believe it? Oh, yes.
Yeah.
No, they're all natural. They're all indigenous. Actually, during the lockdown of COVID, the wildlife here really increased substantially, and the number of birds that reappeared and came on board, it was quite incredible. We started seeing parrots and the egrets and the herons, all sorts of birds started appearing, and the wildlife increased. It just shows the impact of humans on nature. Yeah, serious. Well, this tree here is a favourite hideout for the iguanas. We've always tried to look towards the regional business and local business as part of our sort of core business, if you like. So we get a lot of the diaspora from New York and London and Toronto coming to stay with us. Of course, you get the Americans, the divers in particular. From the UK, they tend to be more retired and elderly that come down. No, there's a huge variety of people that come to stay and visit Grenada. Oh, what a fantastic retreat that was. Your guys were so incredible. They all came up to me and said thank you for a wonderful stay, and you, credit to you, they really enjoyed it. Bye then.